Good morning, good evening, everyone. Today we are in China. It's Suzhou. We're next to the Hilton Hotel, and today we're gonna go to the shopping mall, like the most closest and most fashion shopping mall in Suzhou. I'm gonna use Subway, and now I'm like walking to the subway station, which is the most next to my hotel. Look at this, so nice, so beautiful places, very clean, very clean and very beautiful place. Today is Sunday morning, about almost 10 a.m. 10 a.m. in the morning, and we are coming to the subway station. Yeah, this is subway station. Looks like this. Here we see like it's bike station for e-bike or ordinary bicycles, something like that. Yeah, let's go together inside this bus, like not bus, subway station. Yeah. Well, for buying a ticket, you can use this ticket machine. We can see the map. I already saw my destination, which is we're choosing the line. Our line is green, and then this is my destination. Now can see the mark on this. We are staying on this station. It's Nashi. I hope my pronunciation is correct. And now we're gonna go to this station. It's Dongfangshi, which is this one. Now I'm gonna use QR code my WeChat, and I'm gonna pay it. Well, when we bought the ticket from the ticket machine, paying by cash or by WeChat, we got this a card, plastic card. It's like a one-way ticket, and then we came here and doing like this and just go through. Now we need the train station going. I hope we need going down. Okay, not this way. I think this way. Nope. Okay, just this way. Just going down by stairs. As you can see, guys, it's a very clean station, and it's in China. Every train station is very clean. Okay, now we're gonna take a look. We need Dongfang. Okay, this is our station. Well, just waiting our train. Well, we went out from the subway station, and we arrived at this shopping center in Suzhou. Like the gate is like this. It's like you go out from the subway station and you're coming through the shopping mall directly. Well, let's take a look what is inside of this shopping mall. Let's take a look. Oh, this is how it looks like the shopping mall in Suzhou. Very fashion shopping mall in Suzhou. Yeah, now I'm gonna find Apple, buy something for my device. Yeah, accessory. I would say accessory. I would buy. Apple store is right there. Take a look, guys. On the first floor, we can see Starbucks coffee. You can grab some coffee. Starbucks. And this is Apple official store in Suzhou. Well, guys, we went out from the shopping mall, like on the street, but it's not actually on the street. We're still at the shopping mall, and take a look at this. You can see the road, and the buildings are so beautiful. And this is the famous, very famous building in Suzhou. It's called the Gate, some kind of Asian gate, if I'm right. But usually it's not officially called trousers, but it's not. That's correct. So, and I wanna add it some video. Like in front of this building, usually on Friday and on Saturday is happening a water show. Actually, yesterday I've been on this show and I saw it, and I'm gonna add it. Take a look at this Starbucks, which is inside of this shopping mall. So beautiful Starbucks, many people inside of this Starbucks. Many other brands like a Tom Ford, Victoria's Secret, Chanel. Very interesting shopping mall. I'm so excited actually to be here. I couldn't handle this temptation to buy some coffee, to grab some coffee from this beautiful Starbucks. And I grabbed this coffee. I hope it's tasty. This caramel latte cost me 50 yuan, Chinese yuan. And now let's try it. I hope it's very tasty. This Starbucks is so beautiful. Later I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like a little bit. Hope no one about recording. We are in China. Yes, I'm gonna try this coffee. Okay. Try. So creamy coffee. The cup looks so interesting. I've never seen that the cup looks like this. It's a black cup and the gold writing is letter in the side, a star, yeah, very tasty and very beautiful Starbucks in Suzhou shopping mall. So guys, in this Starbucks, so many souvenirs, different type of cups. And take a look at this. Very, very interesting souvenirs. Like this. And the local, local cup, like China, Starbucks, and also Suzhou. Very, very interesting. Different type of coffee. As for me, it's looking very good, this cup. Maybe I would buy it, but I have no idea how much does it cost. Because the other cups I can see the price, and for this cup I couldn't see it like at all. Guys, I'm going back to my hotel, and now I'm gonna show you how to use it again. Like I've already showed that how to buy a ticket on the ticket machine. Now I'm gonna show you how to get out of the subway station. Yeah, and I'm going from the shopping mall. Like I'm under of this beautiful building. Let's take the subway and go inside of the subway station. Well, now I arrived at my station and I found the exit, and I'm using this elevator or escalator going up and to find my exit. Very, very understandable, where your exit. Well, we can see these exits. Yeah, and now when we came here to these exits, it's if we bought a ticket, we use this for like we put it inside a ticket, plastic card, our one-way ticket, a plastic card, and it go through and go inside, and we have ability to go through this exit. But now I use my Alipay, and for Alipay use this one. Yeah, let's move on. As you saw, guys, using Chinese metro is very, very easy. If you made it's not the first time you knew it, it's very useful, science everywhere. And use the app. I hope, yeah, I'm make some information about this app at the description below for this video. I hope for everyone this video was very useful. We're right back to our hotel. Yeah, and if this video was useful for you, you can subscribe, and see you next time. Yeah, see you guys. See you next time. Bye.